I will show you today how you can create 50 of such reels so easily within 5 minutes using these AI hacks. So be sure to check out the video to the end. Hey guys, this is June because I was born in June, and welcome to my amazing life today. So if you love to use AI to improve your personal life and your efficiency in business, do check out my free course on how to use ChatGPT at junelo.net/ChatGPT, where I share a lot of more resources inside there. So let's come back to this. So in order to create 50 of such reels so easily, there are a few things that we're going to do. So first, we are going to go through the steps of having the ChatGPT to come up with the contents for us within like 1 minute. So let's jump in. First thing first, so let's talk about the niche and the theme of the content that I want to create. Because I'm creating this 7-day amazing video challenge that help people to get over the fear in front of camera by having this 7-day challenge. So right now, what I'm doing is that I'm going to copy and paste all of my contents, okay, over here, so that I teach ChatGPT about what is my niche and have ChatGPT to kind of like create the piece of content for me. So I already done copy and paste all this content. So let's check out what is my prompt, okay? I already prepared all this in advance. So here's my prompt. I said that I want to, based on the contents above, I want to create Instagram Reels with few things. It will be headline, it will be contents, and call to actions. Okay, you really literally need to separate between headline, contents, and call to action, because that is going to be how you're going to structure your reels later on. Okay, and the contents, I want it to be like educating and providing values in terms of instead of too salesy. So here's the breakdown that the ChatGPT given to me, and I kind of like having some go and back and forth training the ChatGPT of the contents that I want. And then after that, I ask ChatGPT, you know what, give me in a table format so that I can copy paste into Excel. Okay, I want the contents to be really content based. And then after that, ChatGPT actually given me these contents with headlines. The number of reasons you are not doing live videos, and one of my prompts to tell ChatGPT is that I want the headline to be creating the kind of curiosity and hook the audience, and the content and the CTA. So with this information, okay, I actually have about 10 right now. Okay, I'm just going to copy paste this. I want you guys to actually open an Excel. All right, open up an Excel, which I already opened, and paste the information inside here. So let me just paste it. All right, so I only have 6, but you can actually have ChatGPT create more for you. So basically, the idea is that you want the ChatGPT to come up with the content for you and in the table format so they can copy and paste. And important is that you must have a separated sections as to where you want to have this in the reels that you're going to create later. So right now, we are going to save this file in the Excel. So next, I want you guys to open up your Canva. All right, so if let's say you have not signed up the Canva Pro, you should actually get this in this Canva Pro. So this is what we are going to do that. I want you guys to go and create a project. So I'm just going to create a new design. In this design, I want to create like Reels, search for Instagram Reels. All right. So we are going to create for fresh. So firstly, you are going to pick the kind of like elements or videos that fit into your theme. I really love those kind of videos in Canva base where like people are working behind the scenes. So you can actually search that. So let us just go to that. Okay, I love working with laptops in Canva. So I'm just going to use working with laptops. And just pick a design that I love. Okay, I think I pretty love this one. So I'm just going to pick that, okay? So, okay, after that, I want you guys to delete, in the templates, there are some information that is irrelevant to you. I want you guys to kind of like delete that. So I'm just going to delete this element. Oh, sorry. I deleted the videos. Delete this, maybe I just want to maintain this. Yeah, delete anything that's irrelevant. So I want this to be my headline, for example. And then there will be another piece that we have is like called content, right? Another call to action. So I want you to create elements in the Canva. Okay, so I'm just going to add a subheading. This subheading, I will call this as content. Okay, let me just make it bigger so that you guys can see. All right, I'm just going to make the size a little bit bigger. All right. And of course, you can, at this point of time, you can actually change the kind of color, or you feel like you want to mask over this picture because it's too bright. Just feel free to mask it over. So let us just copy paste this. Remember, we have one is content, one is call to action. So let me just change this to black color. Okay. Just example, so we will not care so much about the aesthetic, which you can edit in Canva later on. Okay, so what after you've done that, so this is where we are going to go over to the Canva. Over on your left hand side, I want you guys to scroll until the end and look for this bulk create in Canva. Click that. And right now, you're just going to use the upload data. We are going to upload the data produced in the Excel, okay, by ChatGPT regarding my niche, my themes. And I'm just going to upload this over to the Canva bulk create. So it's going to take some time to upload the data depending on how big is the data, but it's going to be like fast. Click continue. Okay, and then right now it's the time to connect data to your elements. Right click an element. So this is my element and click connect data, and this is my headline. And then this is my right click connect data in Canva. This is my content. So now we have done connecting the data inside here. So there's a CTA as well. So we are going to click continue. So we are going to bulk create these 5 designs because I've provided like 5 different content pieces in the Excel. So we're going to click generate 5 designs. So what the Canva is doing is that it's going to generate the designs for you in accordance to the contents that you provided to Canva, and it's not even created by you. So it is the power of, using the ChatGPT and AI, connecting it with different software. And a lot of us, we didn't know that this use case actually exists. So of course, you need to just change that a little bit at the very beginning. But just to show you guys what I've done just now is that I have done like 3 headings, and this is the outcome. I'm having like 5 different designs with this type of moving reels. Like, isn't it awesome? So at the very beginning, you just need to set the template once. After that, you're able to bulk create that, and you can upload that as your reel. And if you don't like, you can always just change the video behind and choose another background that you love. This is just absolutely amazing and time saver. I hope that you guys be enjoying this video of how to use this AI ChatGPT as well as the Canva in order to bulk create reels for you within 5 minutes. If you've been loving this video, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and give me some comments down below to motivate me to produce even more awesome videos and amazing tips to you and share with you guys. And also, not to forget that if let's say you are really interested to create 7 videos in a week, you can check it out our 7-day amazing video challenge at www.amazingchallenge.us as well. If you have been loving AI tools and you always want to find out different automation tools, especially for Facebook organic marketing, we are having a lot of automation tools as well. You can check out all these automation tools here at Facebook. It's at junlo.net/all software. I'm just going to put the links up right here, and I'll see you guys in the next video then. Take care. Bye bye.